Welcome to the best picks. The best fossil kits is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark a child's interest in science. These kits offer a hands-on experience, allowing kids aged 8 to 12 to dig into the past and uncover the mysteries of paleontology. They're not just fun, they're a fantastic tool for learning about Earth's history and the incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes STEM Science Kit. Get ready for an exciting geological adventure. This kit lets you break open real geodes and discover the amazing crystals hidden inside. It's a fantastic STEM activity for kids. Each geode holds a unique surprise. You'll find a wide variety of colorful crystals. This kit is designed to provide the best variety possible. These are real geodes, ranging in size. Kids will love the thrill of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty within. It's a fun and educational experience. The included full-color guide teaches you about how geodes are formed. It's packed with information to make learning fun. This kit is a perfect STEM gift. This product is from Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year award winner. They create products that encourage education and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit lets you break open real geodes to discover the crystals inside. The variety of crystals ensures an exciting experience. If you are looking for a hands-on activity that combines fun with learning about geology, you should consider this one. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. This kit provides an excellent hands-on learning opportunity, perfect for children and adults alike. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets kids dig in a real gem mine to find crystal treasures. It's a fun way to learn and explore. Inside, you'll find gems like pyrite, amethyst, and quartz. This kit combines education with fun, making learning an enjoyable experience. This kit has everything needed for hours of fun. It includes a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. It's a complete package for young explorers. The full-color guide teaches how gemstones are formed and mined. It helps young scientists identify each gem they discover. It's a great educational tool. We are proud to offer top-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We're here to make things right. What we like. This kit allows you to dig up 15 real gemstones. It provides a complete learning experience with all the necessary tools and a detailed guide. If you like the idea of unearthing hidden treasures and learning about geology, you should consider this one. What people say. She found all 15 stones and each was a little masterpiece. The kit comes with everything you need to dig up 15 real gemstones and crystals, offering hours of engaging, hands-on activity. The excitement of discovering each gem feels like a mini treasure hunt, and the included learning guide provides detailed information about each stone, making the experience both fun and educational. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit. Get ready to explore the past. This kit lets you excavate genuine fossils that are millions of years old. It's a fantastic way to spark a love of learning. Inside, you'll find shark teeth, ammonites, and more. This mega fossil dig kit provides hours of educational fun. It's a great STEM gift for kids. Use the included tools to dig and discover. The kit comes with a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. This activity will make you feel like a real paleontologist. The included learning guide shows how fossils are formed. It also helps you identify each specimen. This makes science and learning fun. This kit has everything you need for hours of fun. It includes a dig brick with 15 fossils, tools, and a guide. It's a complete learning activity. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. If you are not satisfied, let us know and we'll make things right. Enjoy your digging experience. What we like. With this kit, you can excavate 15 genuine prehistoric fossils. It includes all the tools needed and a detailed learning guide. If you're fascinated by dinosaurs and ancient history, you should consider this one. What people say. She had a blast unearthing all the hidden fossils, and the kit kept her engaged for hours. The included tools are easy to use, and the instructions were simple to follow, making it fun and educational at the same time. It contains 15 fossils, authentic. These are not reproductions, and takes care of the shapes, providing a brush plus stylus plus magnifying glass to give the child the feeling of being on a real excavation site. Number 2. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. Unleash your inner scientist with this amazing kit. It allows you to grow crystals in 8 vibrant colors, including glow-in-the-dark. This is a fun and educational experience for kids. Watch crystals grow in just 3 to 4 days. The kit includes everything you need for a colorful crystal chemistry experiment. It's the perfect gift for young scientists. The included instructions and silicone chambers make growing crystals simple. Following the steps, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create your own crystals. Showcase your crystals with the included light-up display. Power it with a USB cable and illuminate your creations. It's a great way to show off your hard work. The kit also includes real gemstone specimens to start your rock collection. Learn about quartz, rose quartz, and more with the included learning guide. It's a complete science experience. This kit is a high-quality educational toy designed to inspire a love of science. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. Get ready for a stellar experience. What we like. This kit lets you grow crystals in 8 different colors. It's easy to use and comes with a light-up display to showcase your creations. If you enjoy chemistry and want a visually appealing science project, you should consider this one. What people say. Got this kit for my son last Christmas. We have finished growing all the crystals. Such a fun activity to do with your kiddo on a rainy day. Kit came with everything we needed and the instructions were easy to follow. Loved using this kit because it also leaves your kid with something they can keep. My son is 10 years old and he was able to do most of it himself. El kit permite crear cristales grandes y coloridos, y la base iluminada resulta los resultados de forma espectacular. My 5-year-old son and I had so much fun making these crystals. It's a good value and easy to use and clean up was a breeze. But when it was finished we had big beautiful crystals. I love the lighted stand to display your crystals on, but you have to be super careful removing the crystal from the silicone growing container or you will break shards off of your crystals. Number 1. National Geographic Fossil and Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets your kids experience the thrill of discovery. They'll have hours of fun uncovering amazing specimens. Inside, your children will find genuine gemstones and fossils. These treasures are millions of years old, making this a truly unforgettable experience. It's a fantastic educational toy. This National Geographic Science Kit includes all the tools needed. There's a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. Hands-on learning has never been so fun. National Geographic STEM kits make learning fun. The included guide provides information on each specimen. It's a great STEM gift for any child. We are proud to make high-quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We'll make sure everything is right. What we like. This kit provides the opportunity to excavate 20 real fossils and gems. It includes all the necessary tools for a complete digging experience. If you want a kit that offers a wide variety of specimens and a comprehensive learning experience, you should consider this one. What people say. She was in awe of all the gems. My children truly enjoyed the whole process, from digging and the excitement of finding the different pieces and especially the water cleanup to see exactly what they got. He spent hours on this thing instead of playing with his Nintendo Switch. That's a win. Loads of fun for any rock, gem or fossil enthusiast. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.